Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jem Abante and Jess, and welcome to Gems and Wonders. Hi! So for today's video, I'm so excited because finally dumating na ang ating Naturally Skincare line. This is the newest product of Mary Kay, and I'm so excited because today we're gonna do a product demo and review of this newest Mary Kay product. So, to start with, papakita ko muna sa inyo isa-isa ano yung 4 na bagong product ng Mary Kay Natural Skincare line. First, we have this is the Mary Kay Purifying Cleanser of Naturally, okay? The Natural Skincare line. Next, we also have the Mary Kay Naturally Nourishing Oil. This is the one that is very trendy in the market. And next, we also have the Mary Kay Exfoliating Powder, another first in Mary Kay, diba? Sobrang excited ako kasi this is my also first time to use this product. And of course, we have the Mary Kay Moisturizing Stick, diba? Very handy on-the-go moisturizer. So, for today's video, mag-actual application tayo and I will explain to you on how are we gonna use the products and what are the benefits of using Mary Kay Naturally Skincare line. So, to start with, gagamit muna tayo ng Mary Kay Naturally Purifying Cleanser. So, this product has a calming and soothing effect. So, paano natin to gagamitin? Of course, same thing. Use pea-size amount. So, ganito din itsura niya. Ayan. And this is good for normal to dry skin and even for sensitive skin. Okay? So, again, mas maganda na you latherize it with water. So, lagyan mo ng tubig. Yan, para mas maganda siya when you apply it. Nagmix na yung cleanser and also water. And then, apply it to your face, forehead, nose, cheek, and then chin. Okay? So, you can actually use your beauty finger, the ring and middle. And you can also use the Mary Kay Sonic Skin Vibrate Brush. So for now, papakita ko muna sa inyo pag ginagamit natin ang beauty finger, ring, and middle. So when I apply it, the Mary Kay Purifying Cleanser, may konting scent siya. Light scent ng vanilla, mabango. Sabi nga, anong meron dito sa product na to? Meron siyang cornflower floral water. Wow, napakagandang ingredient. And of course, the sweet almond oil. Okay. And again, upward and out. Ganun po. You can use your 2 beauty fingers at the ring and middle. Yan, both of your hands. Basta make sure circular upward motion. Okay? And upward and out. Yan. So, if ever gagamit ka naman ng ating Sonic Brush, the Sonic Skin Vibrate Brush, you can also use this. So, since naglagay na tayo ng cleanser, turn on mo na lang. And syempre, make sure basa din yung brush. So, since oscillating technology yung ginagamit niya, nagva-vibrate lang talaga siya. Pero ang galing nito maglinis. Wow. Okay. Ayan. So, rinse off na natin. Check natin yung result. Ayan, upon rinsing off, di ba gumamit tayo ng purifying cleanser? Grabe, ang clear ng skin, tapos ang soft pa. Ang ganda talaga ng product. So ako din, sometimes pag masyadong matapang yung product, madaling nag-irritate yung skin ko. So sobrang okay tong Mary Kay Purifying Cleanser. Okay? So, now let's proceed with the next part. Ito nang excited tayo, the Mary Kay Exfoliating Powder. So, this one naman is also a first on my end. Gagamitin ko to. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-mix with your favorite Mary Kay cleanser. Ako, favorite cleanser ko, as you all know, the Mary Kay Lumi V Cleanser. So, right now, I'm using a cream jar. Ito po. You can mix it. So, actually, I made a formulation. Paano ba ginagawa, Miss Jem? You just have to put a small amount. So, kuha lang kayo. Lagay ka lang. And then, with that small amount, make sure small amount din ng Mary Kay cleanser na favorite mo. Okay? And then, get a small amount of water as well. Yan. Then, imimix natin. Yan. So, mafe-feel mo yung microbeads. And paano to ina-apply? Same thing. Forehead, nose, cheeks, tapos chin. Using your bitty finger. But make sure when you're using this, hindi ka nagagamit ng brush. Because masyado na siyang matapang on your face. So, use your bitty fingers na lang. Then, make sure din na wet yung face natin. So, for demo purposes, I'm using the facial water spray. Yan. Pati sa kabila. So, ayan, nakikita po natin. Ako, habang ginagamit ko, nararamdaman ko yung microbeads. Again, remember, this is not used every day. Gagamitin mo lang siya tuwing kailan, 2 to 3 times a week. Okay? Sa mga gusto mag-try ng Mary Kay product na exfoliating pero sensitive yung skin, this is also recommended to you. Ano bang meron sa product na to, ang ingredient niya? Meron siyang hydrogenate, castor oil, and citric acid. So, with that product, it helps your skin na ma-remove yung dead skin cell para bumalik yung bagong skin cell and ayan, glowing na ulit. So, right now, rinse off na natin kasi hindi kailangan sobrang tagal na pag-scrub. So, after gamitin natin to at na-rinse off na with water, ayan, ang cure lalo ng skin natin. So, sabi nga, you can use it with your favorite cleanser, pero 2 to 3 times a week lang. It was also said that you can actually use this exfoliating powder together with the nourishing oil, pea size only, but make sure babanlawan pa rin. So, to the next step na tayo, we will now proceed with the nourishing oil. Ito yung sobrang trending and I myself, favorite ko na din siya kasi pagbukas pa lang, ang bango! Ano ba meron sa product na to? Meron siyang sweet almond oil. Ano pa? Meron din siyang sesame oil and olive oil as well. Bakit maganda gumamit ng oil on our face? Grabe, it gives additional antioxidant effect and syempre, it brings back the glowing and healthy skin. So, ano ba yung ways of using this? You can actually mix it with your favorite moisturizer like me. This is my favorite, my Mary Kay Moist Day Cream. You can also mix it with the Mary Kay Foundation. So, paano natin yung gagamitin? Again, stay tuned. Ida-demo ko as we mix these products. So, to start with, the-demo na natin ang Mary Kay Nourishing Oil. As you can see, may sarili siyang dropper. So, sabi nga, you can use this and lagay ka sa palm, mga 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And then, you can mix it with your favorite moisturizer like, diba, your Moist Day Cream, Moist Day Cream, what else? Your favorite serums, ako favorite ko rin, itong Mary Kay Pore Minimizer Serum, yun yung papakita ko ngayon. So, bago tayo mag-moisturizer, importante magsiserum ka muna, lalagay ko din siya. And then, rub it, then mix it. So, after that, apply na natin. Pea size din. And, make sure to spread it evenly. Ang bango! Ano nga meron sa kanya? It has squalene, a very important ingredient, additional moisturizing benefits sa skin, and the vitamin E. Alam naman natin na napakaganda ng antioxidant. Yan! So, pea-size amount kaya matipid pa din. And next, ang maganda dito sa nourishing oil na to, ang dami niyang purpose. Saan pa po pwede? Of course, sa hair. Yan. Shiny. Nakakatuwa, ang daming purpose. Saan pa pwede? Of course, sa cuticles. Try natin. Ayan. Sa mga masisipag sa bahay, yung mga areas na dry, pwede po itong gamitin. And even sa elbow. Kasi yung elbow natin, di ba, nagre-wrinkle na din yan. So, lagay natin. Ayan, no, nakakatuwa kasi, ayan, minsan napapabayaan yung elbow part. So, see, in an instant, nawala yung wrinkling. So, sa face naman, evaluate natin, kamusta? Ayan, ang lambot lalo ng face ko. Inintay lang natin completely mag-dry. But it was also said na pwede din tong gamitin together with your favorite foundation. So, mamaya try din natin because for the protection part, ito yung last natin. So, proceed na tayo with the next step. So, for the next part, this is the Mary Kay Naturally Moisturizing Stick. Another new product from Mary Kay. Nakakatuwa sa kanya kasi very handy, very on the go. Ayan, tanggalin lang natin. May cover din siya. And, taran! So, maganda sa kanya kasi may beeswax. And of course, ito ay nag-a-add on ng additional moisture on our face. So, try natin. Dito muna. Ay, grabe. Ang galing nga niya mag-moisturize. Even sa kapatid. Lalo na dun sa mga areas na gusto mo agad na ma-hydrate, ma-moisturize. Ang galing niyang gamitin. Instantly. And of course, sa forehead. Okay? Avoid lang. Baka mamaya malagyan mo sa ilalim ng mata because we also have specific eye creams. But the good news about this, you can use this to your body parts. So, pwede rin dito. Ayan, kanina sa elbow natin. Of course, sa hand. Ako talaga yung kamay ko sobrang dry. Ayan, ang galing. Katuwa, instantly. Nag-a-add siya ng additional moisture talaga sa skin natin. And syempre, maganda sa kanya, ang gaan lang dalhin anywhere na pumunta ka, lagay mo lang sa bag mo. Meron ka ng instant moisturizing stick. So again, this is another first in Mary Kay. So, grab yours now. Sobrang sulit po siyang gamitin and hindi pa siya sticky. Sa mga nag-a-ask kung paano yung mga moisturizer ba, oily yung skin ko, magkakos ba yan additional oily na sa face? Sa totoo lang, hindi po. Ayan, nag-dry off siya agad and lalo nag-glow yung skin natin. So, my actual and total verdict for these products. So, for the actual verdict, of course, anong rating? 10 over 10 for all these products. Sobrang love ko na siya. Look at my face. Lalong nag-glow. If you have existing products naman ng Mary Kay, pwede mo siyang i-mix and match. So, tandaan, it's all about trying the product first. To see is to believe. And, nga pala, papakita ko din sa inyo, what if the nourishing oil is also mixed with the foundation? Ayan, lalo ng foundation ay protection, last part natin to. So, gagawin ulit natin by using this product. You can actually mix it in your palm. Yan, make sure malinis lang. Konti lang, ladies. 2 to 3 drops again. Favorite ko po talaga to. Napakabango. Yan. Because of the dropper, yan, kuha tayo. 2 to 3 drops lang din. Ayan. And, of course, mix it. Ano nangyayari, Miss Jem? Ayan. Tapos, try natin apply. So, may coverage din siya. Ang maganda sa kanya, hindi ka lang basta nag-foundation, meron din siyang instantly additional moisture. So, ang bango po talaga nung scent. Siyempre, aside sa natural, certified talaga to. So, compare natin. To glowing na, but lalong nag-glow nung nilagyan natin ng foundation. Pumantay po yung kulay natin. So, you can also do that if ever you have your nourishing oil and you also want to try it together with your foundation. Pwede po. Ayan po yung effect. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. Napakanipes lang nung itsura niya kapag nilagay. Make sure lang na don't put too much. Okay? Tandaan, the key to proper makeup is less is more. Yan, nakita na, this is the part na may foundation. Ito yung wala. So, ang ganda talaga ng Mary Kay products, lalo na itong bago nating Mary Kay Naturally. Another thing na gusto ko din i-share with you, some would ask, is it the same with botanicals? The answer is no po. This is nature-inspired, but this one is nature-certified. So if you're already using this, pwede mong itry din ang Mary Kay Naturally. Baka mas okay din yung effect with you, but don't mistaken it na same sila or panalitan ng botanicals. We still have this one. So, always remember, the Mary Kay Naturally product is our first, diba, natural certified product. So, maganda sa kanya, you can mix it with your other Mary Kay products, but make sure lang din na to try the product first. But if you are a sensitive skin, I must say, sobrang okay tong gamitin. Ayan, natutuwa ko kasi nga ito yung part na nalagyan ko kanina ng foundation. So, lalo nag-glow together with the nourishing oil. So ladies, tandaan, it's all about trying new products and taking care of ourselves. Kasi skincare and self-care is always a priority during these times. Kasi it's also our basic hygiene, diba? Kailangan naman inaalagaan natin yung skin natin because that is the largest organ of our body.